In this video, we will review how to grade student work and how to review those grades in the Canvas gradebook. To get started, we will locate and select the assignment. If it is not a Google assignment, we can use the SpeedGrader to review and score student submissions. We will click the SpeedGrader button in the top right corner. The Canvas SpeedGrader tool opens in a new tab. At the top right, you will see a drop-down menu of your student names. We can select a specific student from this menu. We can also move from one student to the next using the arrows to the right and left of the student name. We can change the order of our student names using the gear icon in the top left corner. We will select Options. We can sort the student list alphabetically, by submission date, or by submission status. Let's review Student 3's work. In the center of our screen, we can see the student's submission. In this first example, the student submitted a text entry. We can grade the submission on the right side of our screen. Assignments that are scored as complete or incomplete will appear with a drop-down menu. This assignment is scored out of 100 points. We can type the point value in the text field. We can also provide assignment comments. Written comments can be typed in the text field. Media and audio comments can be recorded using the icons below the text field. Lastly, we can also attach a file to our comments. Once we have finished adding comments, we will click Submit. Note that the student score saves automatically. To move to the next student, we can either select a name in the drop-down menu, use the arrows at the top of the screen, or we can press the J key on our keyboard. For more keyboard shortcuts, click the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. Student 5's submission is a file upload. Notice that we have some additional annotation tools available when providing feedback for a file upload. We can add comments using the pin icon. We can type my comment in the margin. We can highlight text using the highlighter icon. Notice that we can also leave a comment for the highlighted area. We can add a text box using the text icon. We can draw a line using the strike through icon, and we can add a comment. We can draw or write using the paintbrush icon. Lastly, we can draw a box using the rectangle icon. The grading panel is the same no matter what type of submission the student chooses to make. We can score the work and leave comments. When we are finished reviewing student work, we can navigate to the gradebook. From the SpeedGrader screen, we can access the gradebook using the notebook icon in the top left corner. Notice that the grades populate under the assignment. We can edit student grades in the gradebook by clicking on the score or line and typing a value. We can also change the grade status and add a comment by clicking on the little arrow icon.